is the greatest number among 3 power 50, 4 power 40, 5 power 30 and 6 power 20 is. So simple one line question, but the moment you finish reading it, you're like confused. What do we do now? 3 power 50, 4 power 40, 5 power 30 and 6 power 20 are hard to calculate. I mean, you cannot be doing it manually, right? No scope at all. I mean, forget about a competitive exam. Even otherwise, finding out 3 power 50 would take days together. Okay. So how do we find out which is the greatest one here? Is it depending on the denominators, meaning the bases, or depending on the powers, or what exactly? Well, it is a combination of both, right? See, the given numbers are 3 power 50, 4 power 40, 5 power 30 and 6 power 20. The challenge here is all the bases are different and all the powers are also different. And hence, finding out which is greatest is difficult. You're getting it? By any chance, if you can make all the bases equal or all the powers equal, our life becomes simple. Now, making the bases equal is not possible because they're already like simple numbers 3, 4, 5, 6. Can something be done with the powers? Yes. We have only one choice now, that is to play with the powers here, to play with the indices and try to make them all equal. What can be done? Remember one identity, we know that a power mn is equal to a power m into n, which is actually a power m whole power n. Yes or no? A power m whole raised to the power of n. That's exactly what we are going to apply here, right? Like for example, 50 can be taken as 5 into 10. See, try to find out in all these kind of problems, try to find out the highest common factor in the powers. For 50, 40, 30, 20, the highest common factor is 10. So let us try to break all the numbers in terms of 10 here. So 5 into 10, 4 power 4 into 10, this is 5 power 3 into 10, and this is 6 power 2 into 10. And now if you try to apply this, a power m into n equals to a power m whole power n. What happens? This becomes 3 power 5 whole power 10. This is 4 power 4 whole power 10. This is 5 cube whole power 10. And 6 squared raised to the power of 10. Now it's very easy. All the powers, if you see, external powers are 10. Just simplify what is there inside the brackets. And this is easy to crack. I mean, 3 power 5 you can do. 4 power 4, 5 cube, 6 square are easy to solve, right? What is 3 power 5? 3 power 5 will be 81 into 3, which is 243. So this is like 243 power 10. 4 power 4, how much is 4 power 4? 4 power 4, 4 squared is 64, 4 squared is 16, 16 into 16 is 256. Yes or no? 4 power 4 is 256. So 256 power 10, 5 cube is 125 and 6 square is 36. Now tell me which is highest. He's asking us to find out the greatest among these four. Which is the greatest one among these four? Which is the greatest one? You're able to follow. All the powers are equal. That is what was our objective, right? Our objective was to make the powers equal. What do we get? 243 power 10, 256 power 10, 125 power 10, 36 power 10. Obviously, this is the greatest one, 256 raised to the power of 10, right? And what is 256 raised to the power of 10? It is nothing but 4 power 40. So option 3 is the answer.